this video we are going to study about the data types in Python, and we are also going to study about the type method in Python. So today we are going to study about numeric data types, and the other one is Boolean data type. Inside the numeric data types we have integer, float and complex number, and with the help of int we represent an integer value, with the help of float we represent a float value. Float means the decimal numbers. Complex we represent with the help of complex keyword. Now Boolean data types we represent it using bool. Okay, now about the type function. Okay, so type function is going to tell you what is the data type of the particular variable. So suppose if I am defining here a variable which is named as a is equals to value is 10, and here I am trying to print the type of this particular variable which is a, closing the parenthesis, then I'll run the code. So it said that it's of integer type. Okay, so the class of this type variable a is what? Integer. Similarly for float value, suppose 132.2 we have this value. I'm just taking random values, then with the help of type function we're going to print the b value, so it will say that it is float. Then the third one we have, that is suppose complex number is equals to, say suppose it's 6j, and it's not string 6j only, then print the type of C, and if we run the code then it says complex. Fine. Now the final one is going to be what? The final one is going to be the Boolean type. So Boolean means what? The Boolean data type is going to be either, the type is going to be either true or false. So Boolean results what? Either true or false. A statement or an expression can be either true or false. So the statement or an expression value is known as Boolean. So suppose d is equals to 12 greater than a. So what is 12 greater than a? A is what? A is 10. So is 12 greater than 10? Yes, it is true. So it means that this d is an expression which is a Boolean expression because it results in true and false. Okay, so printing the type again for what? D. That's it. And when again we run the code, so it represents bool. So this was about the numeric data types and the Boolean data types, also the type function in Python.